Oceans cover more than 70% of Earth's surface.
They not only provide the largest habitat on the Earth, but they also contribute to regulate the global temperature. The ocean is a vast body of salty water that encircles the continents. The oceans are divided into four major regions: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and the Arctic Ocean. All chemical elements present on Earth can be found in tiny amounts in the ocean's water. But it tastes salty because of sodium and chloride ions from rainfall runoff and the minerals from the geothermal vents of the seafloor. Climate change is causing three major changes in the ocean. First and foremost, the ocean is warming. The greenhouse effect not only makes the earth warm but also boosts the temperatures of the oceans. During the last century, the ocean's surface temperature has risen at a pace of about 0.13 degree Fahrenheit every decade. And for the last 30 years, sea surface temperature has continuously been greater than any other previous period in the recorded history. The warmer water vaporizes quicker, causing storms to become stronger and more frequent. Higher temperatures also endanger sensitive aquatic life, such as coral reefs, and also alter the food chain for everyone, from krill to penguins to seal. Secondly, since 1993, sea levels has been increasing at a double the pace of the long-term trend. Sea levels are rising not only just because water expands when heated, but also because the glacier and ice sheets are melting. Rising sea levels lead to flooding on previously dry soils in coastal areas. Ocean's acidification is the third effect of climate change. Sea floor absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which lowers its pH and increases its acid content. Ocean's acidification lowers the calcium carbonate concentration in ocean's water, which makes it harder to live for species such as oyster, clams, and corals. The only way to save our seas is to drastically cut the greenhouse gas emission. Even if the emission were stopped immediately, the gases now in the atmosphere would take decades to dissipate.